This is my bag, bear spray. You should always have bear spray when you hike, guys. Good morning, everyone. It is 6:40 a.m. and we're headed out today to hike the Pine Ridge Trail in the Ventana Wilderness. Look how pretty the skies are. Wow. I have not woke up this early in like probably since snowboarding. But yeah, I got Pocari Sweat. My friend gave it to me. Very nice. And I'm bringing it so we can get some electrolytes before we hike. It's so cold right now, and I'm going to go pick them up now. It is about a 2-hour drive away, so we got a bit of an adventure before we actually start hiking. And we also want to get food as well. So I'll see you guys. Well, now we're in Monterey, barely past Point Lobos. It's pretty nice here. Guys, I'm walking to the ledge. We're at Big Sur station. There's David over there, and then there's Aaron in the back. We're gonna hit up the bathroom real quick and maybe get a map if they have that. Hey guys. David got the katana. I got my kit ready. Let's go on the Pine Ridge Trail.
The gators make you look like a mood or two trench.
What you talking about?
They're kind of lit though.
I went full drip today. So yeah, let's go. We got 20 miles ahead of us, so hopefully this is us at the start. We're pretty energized. And do a low 360.
Hella food on him, bruh. This guy's packing for the winter.
We need that energy.
David set up
360 with the katana, bro. Show that drip.
Yup. Oh, yeah. This is the beginnings. Got the base there.
Solomon's shoes. Oh yeah.
Night vision today, a little special treat.
I got a fat ass helmet in my bag for the night vision. So yeah. I don't know how many miles we're in, but it's just kind of tough.
Hiking poles make a difference. Definitely invest in them.
Yeah, actually. You want to make your hiking experience like easy, just get hiking poles.
I feel like a quadrupedal monster just like scaling up this hill. Or it's like when you're doing Stairmaster and you like low-key cheating by putting your hands on the rails.
Oh yeah.
And like kind of lifting. I see people doing that.
Look at this wall. And also, yep, we got a long way to go. Let's go. This is Yosemite 2.0. 안녕하세요. 지미입니다. 오늘은 금요일이에요.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Aaron.
친구 1, 친구 2. Beautiful.
What's up?
Hey, we're at our first water crossing. Yeah. Really good water, so we refilled our B-freeze and we're gonna refill our water. We're about 4 miles in? 3? 3?
4. I think
18.
4.
Yeah, between 3 or 4.
To Barlow, and we talked to this a guy here. He spent the night at Skies, and he said water's pretty turbulent up to your thighs, and it's like 4 water crossings. I'm not too sure if we can do it, but
yeah, so it's a little bit sketch. So we got to see ourselves.
He says the hot springs are more like warm springs. So.
Makes sense. Water test time. Oh, it tastes like mint.
Always.
Yeah, like mint. It always tastes like mint, bro. But it's so good. It literally tastes like deluxe water. Yes. I got mine right here. I had a hole in it. As you can see, it's like kind of shiny where my pinky is. It's actually glue. I had to glue over it. It's like a special type of glue for wetsuits and stuff. Made for this as well. But now it's waterproof. Or I fixed the hole, so it's fine.
Goo review. Chocolate outrage. I already had some. It's so good. 400. Look at the macros. 450 milligrams of amino acids.
Bro, stand still.
50 milligrams of sodium.
You tweaking off that caffeine.
20 milligrams of sodium. This is gonna help you rebuild that muscle, not cramp, and keep on going. Shit. I might take one of these before bed. You know what I'm saying? Before the sheets.
Oh shit, like a honey pack?
Combo.
Oh.
What we gonna do? We gonna go to the hot springs? I'm
Wait,
gonna
what?
get one of these. And we gonna get it on.
You said we?
Yeah, tastes like Hershey's. So good.
It's like Yosemite. It's so nice. Hello, we got David over here, Aaron over here, and we have this beautiful stream behind us, and we have to cross it. We're probably gonna take that log and jump across or something, but yeah. Oh yeah, grab that tree. Oh, it's possible. Oh yeah. Our first river crossing. We do not want to get wet, so we need to find a way across. We are testing the water crossing. I got my Crocs and my shorts on. There's one first. What did you find in the river?
Found a drone. We were crossing and I saw like an X pattern and picked it up.
Bro.
So far on this trip, I found sunglasses and now drones. So.
Bro found 2 like rare loot, bro. Yo, how good is that? Is it like a
looks pretty
Timu drone?
good. Nah, or
I mean, it has an SD card, so it can't be a Timu drone.
got an SD card. It's probably fried beyond belief, but
It's been in the river for how long?
Yeah.
Who knows?
I thought it was a DJI drone. I thought it was a
Panasonic?
Mavic.
Oh, was that?
I don't know. We gotta search that up.
Potentially?
I mean, but if it's backpackers, it's probably expensive.
Yeah. Oh, oh, it's warm. I got warm my feet.
But
Yo, put your feet next to it, bro. We just did the river crossing. My feet are still frozen. This water is probably like colder than ice, or it's cold as ice. Itadakimasu. Minasan, konnichiwa. We're done chilling at the Burlow's flat camp. It should take about 4 hours to get to the car. Update, I'm sitting here by myself because I'm ahead, but my quads are cramping like crazy, bro. I think I have too much potassium, not enough salt, because I took Aaron's potassium pill, and that's like 100% of the daily value. And I didn't really eat any salty food earlier. So my quads right now are having an electrolyte imbalance, and I'm cramping like hella. There they are. As you can see, yeah, you look handsome. As you can see, we're being blessed by nature right now.
Mother Nature.
Wow, we're gonna have a nice ass view if we're not by the car by sundown. Yes. Hello guys, you can't really see me, but it is dark now, and we need lights, or else we can't see. We're still on track, I think. We're supposed to get back to the car around 7. Right now it's 6:30. Yeah. I'm gonna try my best to capture it, but there are bats flying around. I've seen like 10 now. Oh, that was it right there. But bat. Oh, there it is. Oh, it just flew right above me. Oh, that's another one. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's so many here. Oh my. Oh, that flew past the camera. Wait, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, dude, there's so many bastards. They're like flying towards me. So we made it back to the car. It is 8 p.m. We left at 10, so it's about 8 hours of hiking. 15 miles. But we did it. Man, I'm tired, bro. What you want to eat?
Some pussy.
Hey, but for real though, bro. Probably McDonald's. Hella salt and hella calories. We need that. Hella stars. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Hello, vlog. Sitting on the curb eating McDonald's. I got double McChicken. It's like 9:15 right now. Oh, we still got an hour drive back.
Up and I was drooling.
Yeah. Ew.